Hi, it's Di with WTI, and here I have Eden's Garden Fir Oil. And what is cool about this is it gives you immediately that feeling of traveling into those beautiful forests with fir trees. It promises you to have the feeling of that you're actually curing inflammations from your body and stuff like that. And I think part of it is true, because in old times people used to go to these places where they had high forests next to them, and it was actually helping them with curing diseases that they were having, because fresh air is always something good to have. And this totally gives that feeling of fresh air when you put it on diffuser, when you feel like you just want to have that clean air feeling and you're in the middle of the forest. And that's what I've been doing with the fir oil. And that, of course, is just my point of view.